Hi everybody, I am here today with all of the pages of my Graphic 45 12 by 12 Seize the Day layouts that I've made. So I took one full collection pack and I made as many 12 by 12 layouts as I possibly could. Now there are 16 pages here and this is going to be for sale all as one album. So if you are interested in purchasing this for your own photos, all you have to do is print your photos and pop them into the photo mat spots and frames in the album. They will come in plastic page protectors to protect these whenever they are shipped to you. So we're going to get into this, but before we do, there is a complete tutorial series if you would like to make these layouts with your own collection pack. So you can find those links listed in the description box below. Now this is page 1 of the album. It is a single page since it's the front page here. Anything that is over top any of these white areas where the photos go is open, so those photos can slide underneath, including this here. So the photo will slide up underneath of this border strip as well. This has room for 2 4x4 photos and 2 wallet size photos. This is the first double page spread. So I'm going to show you the spread first, and then we are going to look at the individual pages. So here is the left side page. There is quite a bit of dimension on these pages. It's not that it's a lot of dimension, it's just that all of the pages do have some dimension on them. This is the right hand page here. Lots of stuff popped up. I've got some pearls on these pages as well. Then the next double spread, so you can see what it looks like. And then the close-up of this one, we've got 2 full-size 4x6 photos, the journaling card here. And then on this page, the seed beads are actually falling off. There's so many of them. They will not all fall off, so when you get this, it will still have some on it. But there are a lot of them on here. This has room for 5 wallet-size photos on it. Then on the next page, this is the next double layout here. It is hard to keep these in frame because it takes up my whole entire desktop. Here we've got this one, so 4 3x3 photos on this one. And I've got lots of stuff here popped up on this page. And then over here on this side, we've got some 4x6 photos, and this is another 3x3 photo size, and then a journaling spot here. Now on these 2 pages, I did add some additional strips from the border sheet whenever I was finished with all my layouts. So if you are going to make this album yourself, those are not in the tutorial videos because I did those after the final video. Now here is the back side. This and the next layout. I also added this border strip whenever I finished in this one, so these are not in the layout video either, just some little touches that I added on after I had all these little leftover pieces. So here is this one. 3 full-size 4x6 photos will fit on this layout here. And then over here we've got 3 full-size photos on this one as well. And flipping over to the back side here, we've got another spread. I did add this Seize the Day border strip after all of my pages were finished. This one here has 4 4x4 photo spots. All of this is open, so those photos will slide underneath of it. And then over here, we've got 1 4x4, and you see those beads are flying off. 2 full-size photos here, and then a 4x4 photo there. And then on the back side, we've got another double page layout here. And we've got room for 3 4x4 photos there. We've got some pearls up here, and then some chipboard pieces down here. And then on this side, we've got room for 2 photos. These are frames. The frames are open at the top, so the photos can slide underneath of them. There are places that you can put titles on your pages as well, so that is why there are areas that are open. Got some pearls over here on this side too. And flipping over, we've got the think this is the final double page layout here. So on this side, we've got 3 full-size photos will fit there. And then over here, we've got 2 full-size photos and then 2 wallet-size photos. Both of these frames are open at the top, so those photos can slide underneath. And then the back page here is the final page of the album, and it is room for a full-size photo here. And these are smaller than wallet size, so these are 2 by 3 size photos. You could also place a white photo mat here and add a 4th photo on the page if you would choose to do so. So these are my 12 by 12 layouts using the Graphic 45 Seize the Day collection pack. I would love to know what you think of these layouts, which one was your favorite, which was your favorite page or your double page layout. I can't decide which one I like best. Every time I pick one, I think I love that one, and then I look at another one, I think I love that one too. So I would love to know what you think. And as I mentioned before, this is available for sale. So if you would like to purchase this to just put your photos in, it will be linked in the description box below. And if you already have your 12 by 12 collection pack and you want to make these layouts for yourself, I will link those playlist videos down in the description box as well. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.